Do you know how to use Cricut Press on shirts? Don't worry, we have got you covered with these easy steps. Hi, I'm your friend Manny and welcome to my channel Manny Maker. Step 1. Open your browser and search for Cricut Heat Guide. Step 2. Click on the cricut.com/country name/heat guide. Step 3. Select the heat transfer material which you are using. There is a list. Step 4. Click on the drop down menu under base materials and choose the material of your shirt. Step 5. Click on Cricut Press Mat and apply buttons to view instruction for using your heat press. Now you have completed all the settings. It's time to get your Cricut Press ready. Step 6. Turn on your Cricut Press. Step 7. Press the temperature button and hold it until the number starts flashing. Step 8. Use the plus and minus buttons to set the temperature as recommended by the heat guide. Note, temperature and press time may vary depending on the type of material you are using. Step 9. Press the timer button, then use plus and minus buttons to set your desired time. Step 10. When you hear a beep and the Cricut button turns green, your press is ready to use. Step 11. Lay your t-shirt flat on the Cricut EasyPress mat and cover it with the butcher or Teflon paper. Step 12. Press the Cricut button and preheat your shirt for 5 seconds to remove wrinkles or moisture. Step 13. Place your transfer design onto the shirt, then cover it with the butcher paper or Teflon sheet. Step 14. Press your design onto the shirt using your Cricut press, following the timing recommended in your heat guide. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, you can subscribe our channel. You can also visit Manny Maker or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't addressed your issue yet, please let us know in the comment section.